How to fix Roblox not joining mobile games. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your Play Store, then go to search. After that, search for Roblox. Now if there is an update button, simply tap on the update button and get the latest version of Roblox. Next step, locate your Roblox application, tap and hold on it, then go to app info. After that, go to its storage section, tap on clear cache. Next option, if it does not fix still, launch your Roblox application. After that, go to your more button, then go to profile. Make sure your account or your profile is verified. Go back again. Now go to settings, then go to account info. Here you will find if your account is verified or not. If not verified, verify it and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.